Hello, my name is Brandon Hernandez, and this is our video submission from Group 22 about build a level. As you can see here, our floor is actually procedurally generated terrain. I have here in our component script X size and Z size. This controls both the scale and the subdivision count for the floor. I can change the scale of the noise, the strength, and the mid level. The mid level is simply just adjusting the entire height just to eliminate some of the gaps underneath the maze. And our gradient here drives the colors for our material. And the material is driven via the vertex colors of the mesh. So just to show it off more, you can see the colors shifting with the height. Very cool. This only runs on runtime for the game. So while we're developing the game, we switch to this regular plane just to make things visually less busy as well. And our maze here is procedurally generated with I can change it. It's a 20 by 20 grid, and I can adjust the size of the maze in case we think it's too big, too small, whatever. And the cells made up for this maze is with this maze cell prefab. It has four walls, and what the recursive backtracker does is essentially it goes to a random direction. If it's unvisited, it knocks down the wall, and this helps create the whole maze. Here we have our characters. This is a generic spawn location. Right now, our walls aren't textured because we're because of this prefab. I can easily change the mesh, and what I'm trying to go for is like a cornfield kind of look. So or tall grass, and that's why we haven't textured it yet because we're trying to not go with a solid object for our game. Scattered will be little power ups. As you can also notice, there is no exit for a maze, but that's part of the design. We want something to trigger like a timer eventually. Gives the monster X amount of time to catch up to the players, right? We'll also have like little collaborative features, so there's teamwork involved. Also, I would like to quickly mention that our maze is out of scale. That's because I was referencing our the Unity's built-in plane, which I didn't know was scaled up by 10 automatically, which is why everything is so small. Uh, this is why I imported this human for reference. Notice how he's much taller than the height of the wall. So I'll make those adjustments. And I also want to quickly go over the colliders, which does work for the maze. Obviously, right now the maze is too small, but I'll change that. Also, the displacement for the ground also works. Then just to quickly show the maze being generated. And this is how we generate the game. Right now it's doing a little animation, but I can get rid of the coroutine if it's not an artistic choice of the game. We might use this little animation just for like an intro cutscene. It's not very important. But yes, here I just want to demonstrate that each time we create the maze, it's a different environment. And that's all we have for now. Thank you very much. Have a good day.